Hi, Alistair here from Easy Time. From time to time, people bring in their video 8 tapes and they're covered in mold. This is how I go about repairing them so that I can digitize their tapes. The first thing that needs to happen is you need to remove the 5 screws from the back of the tape. The next thing to do is carefully turn the tape over and remove the cover. Once you've got the cover removed, now it is time to take out the spools. Be extremely careful doing this as you don't want to drop these. As you can see, there's a lot of mold on the left hand spool. As the videotape is really delicate, it is easy to tear when there is so much mold on it. Freeing the tape from the mold takes a lot of patience. As you can see, I'm holding the spool down with my left hand, and with my right hand I'm pulling on the tape so that it is under tension at all times. Once you've got a couple of feet or so of tape pulled out, it is then time to start rewinding onto the other spool. As you can see, this is a very slow and tedious job. This is going to take quite some time to do. This is actually why most transfer places won't even entertain this. After what seems an eternity, you will eventually get to the end of the reel. Now is the time to clean up the empty spool. I use isopropyl alcohol and spray it onto a microfiber wipe. I give the spool a really good clean up as I don't want any mold left on it. Now all that's left to do is to place the spools carefully back into the tape and replace the 5 screws. Once everything is back together, I then place the tape into an 8mm tape rewinder and run it forward and backwards a couple of times, just to make sure everything's okay. Now I've connected up my Elgato capture card to my computer and I'm running the tape through my camera. The last thing that I do is to open the movie in iMovie, where I can edit any unwanted scenes and enhance the colours, etc. I think all in all, this turned out to be a great little project. If you can come around, please be